Introducing the H685F5G Industrial Router. The package includes the H685F5G Industrial Router, 3 5G cell rubber antennas, a GPS antenna, 2 Wi-Fi dual-band antennas, a DB9 serial cable, an RJ45 cable, a power adapter, a power plug, and a 10-pin terminal. The H685F5G Industrial Router is equipped with antenna and 10-pin terminal interfaces to ensure seamless connectivity. Designed to deliver critical connections in the most challenging environments, this device is ideal for M2M, machine-to-machine, IoT, Internet of Things, and automotive applications. Moreover, the H685 is built to withstand extreme temperatures, humidity, vibration, dust, reverse polarity, and transient voltage, making it suitable for a wide range of applications including oil fields, public buses, smart streetlights, and bank ATMs. If you're interested in our products, feel free to reach out to us via email. Subscribe to stay updated on industry insights and product releases.